dentro dell'elevador in todo momento y por favor vigile a sus niños.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Oh. This should be the middle. Left.
Great.
To right.
Listen to instructions very well.
I do.
Right. Pull on the yellow strap. Thank you. And now arms up. You can keep them up if you'd like. And now enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
I hope you make it out.
You are the passengers on the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into the night. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. Request your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been approved. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
I did it!